love to watch us burn, but they would hate to be one of us, cause we are the only thing keeping us warm. But we'll eventually freeze. We're feeling the heat when we touch, just seeing the breath that we breathe.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your new favorite series, this Hype Box series. This Hype Box comes to us from soulsteals.com and it is gonna be a doozy, guys. $750. It's gonna be lit. Before we get into it though, I want to give a quick shout out to Bump app for sponsoring this video. If you guys have never heard of the Bump app, it's actually a really good app to buy and sell sneakers, and not only sneakers, streetwear as well. So basically pretty much whatever is in this Hype Box can go on Bump and I can sell it there. What's really nice about Bump is that they are super legit. They have a whole team of moderators that actually patrol like every single posting, and they make sure that there's no fakes on there. And if for some reason that a fake does slip through, what's nice is that every transaction is protected by PayPal, so no matter what, if you receive a fake in the mail, you can just go through PayPal and get a full refund back, and that is dope. They're getting pretty huge too. I don't know if you guys have seen them around more, but I just saw a Kai Bentley video that he's actually selling like all of his Supreme collection on top of Bump, which is kind of wild. He's like super big in New York, and he has like a lot of Supreme pieces. So I think that's going on Sunday. There's gonna be like a huge drop for it. I'm definitely gonna check it out. If you guys want to check it out, it should be on the Bump app as well. Just check it out in the feed. And everything in this box is actually going to be sold through the Bump app exclusively as well. So if you guys haven't already, download the app through the link in the description below. Follow me on there, and yeah, I'll be posting all of these. Well, I guess when you guys watch the video, they'll all be posted already. So make sure you get there quick so you guys can get whatever is in here. Hopefully there's some good stuff. You gotta see. Anyway, $750 box. Let's get right into it. I don't understand why they always put this do not open with sharp objects tape, because it makes no sense, because how else am I gonna open it? Random thoughts when you're opening up boxes, I guess. Okay, there's a lot of items in here. That's the first thing. First piece that we have looks like a standard Antisocial Social Club hat. It says the classics on here. I'm not too familiar with Antisocial Social Club, but yeah, it's a pretty basic hat. That's the only branding right there that I can see. Nothing else on inside or anything like that. So I'm assuming that this doesn't have that much value. Yeah, this might be a harder piece to move, but if you guys are interested in this, then yeah, it will be posted up on the Bump app. So check it out, because I'm not keeping this. I'm not a big fan of ASSC. That's just me though. All right, so next piece out. Oh, okay. This is the older one. So this is actually the Supreme duffel bag, not this season's one. This is last season's one. It's more of like that glossy look to it. The new one doesn't have that shine to it, and I don't know why, but the value on this is actually going up a lot. So I think the value on these now is like 2 something. So that's like actually a really good piece for a $700 box. So I'm assuming this is one of the better items. I don't know. We got to take a look at what else is in here though. Supreme duffel 2017. Okay, so we got shirts. Whoa. So I think this one is called the boyfriend shirt. I think that's the nickname. Because if you look over here, it says, "Oh God, why can't my boyfriend skate?" So yeah, and it says skate and destroy like over and over and over and over and over and over on the back. It's a lot. And then on the front, it just has Supreme going down the side like that. Talked about it in the past, and I'm not really good with huge graphics on t-shirts, so definitely not keeping this one. This is like a huge graphic too. It takes up almost the entire shirt. Like, look at that. Wild. Not sure what the value on this one is, but it will be going up on Bump app as well. I'm gonna check the prices and stuff on there, and whatever the going rate is what it will be put up for. So yeah, check it out on there. Next shirt, it's another red shirt. It's designed by Limonius. It has a small like little box logo that says Supreme right there, very small. And then back here in the front, Super Supreme. I really have no idea what this shirt is from or what drop it's from, but yeah, Super Supreme, and it has like this little fly thingy, I guess. I don't know, some kind of bug. We haven't seen anything really hyped in this box yet. I hope it picks up. Anyway, this looks like a sweatshirt of some kind. Jeez, this is a really heavy sweatshirt. Oh, there wasn't even any point of opening this. It's like literally just a sweater that has that S on it, and that's it. So yeah, there's nothing else on here. Well, I guess on the hood it also says Supreme, but it's like super small. And then yeah, nothing on the back. So interesting piece. So yeah, I'm not sure how much these go for. On the tag it says Tonal S logo hooded sweatshirt black. It looks like it's from the fall winter 2017. Yeah, I'm hoping that this has good value, because again, the box doesn't look that great yet. I mean, it's definitely not as hyped as that last box with the box logo hoodie, but this must be a pretty good hoodie, I would assume. It's just very basic and it doesn't stand out. If this S was like red instead, I think it would be a lot better, but that's just my own opinion. Okay, so we got to the last piece in the box. Last one in here. Okay, so this is a Jordan 1. We've been getting a lot of these like in every box, so that's pretty good. Probably because Nike has dropped like a million Jordan 1s this year. Anyway, this is a size 11. I think I know what this one is. Yeah, so this one is actually the Shadow Jordan 1s that just released. Man, the smell of new Jordan 1s is like dope. So this is a dead stock pair, lace back still attached, bottoms unworn. This one is actually a pretty good pair. The leather is really soft on Shadow 1s. This one seems like it's very, very soft, so that's good. I think the value of Shadow 1s go for like, oh, it's low now. It's actually, I think, less than 200 bucks for the 11 sizes. If you have like a size 9 or 9.5, those are usually the better ones for Jordan 1s. Price wise, so the higher up the size, I feel like it definitely goes down in value. So that's unfortunate because, yeah, I don't really know. You guys can see the counter on the screen over here. All the fees and stuff are taken out after bump. So this is actually what the take-home value would be at the bottom over here. And I don't know, I guess it's okay. It's definitely not the greatest box. Like I've said before in other videos, I've been doing beater boxes and mystery boxes for a long time now, and you can't expect to have winners every single box. Last box, we got a huge winner with the box logo and the royal ones. This one, not as great. I'd probably rate it as like a C or something, so it could have been better, but it's not that bad though. Anyway, like I said, all of these items are up on bump already. If you guys haven't already, hit that link in the description below. Download the app, follow me on there. If you guys want to buy stuff, buy it directly on there. And if you guys are interested in like buying some of the Supreme stuff that Kai Bentley has, I would check that out too, because that's definitely what I'm gonna be looking for. I think the drop list and actually what he's selling and stuff is on Bump's IG page. I think they're bump_official, so you can check that out as well. But man, if you haven't seen that video, he has like a lot of box logos and stuff. I was stoked to get one. That guy has like rare ones from like years back. Must be nice is all I can say, seriously. Must be nice. And if you guys want to have a chance at mystery boxes, check out Soul Steals. Their link will be in the description below as well. So let me know what you guys think of the box in the comments below though. I think it could have been better, but it's not bad. At least we definitely make our money back, and that's a good thing. Just gotta go on to the next one, and I hope you guys stay tuned until then. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you, aloha. Shoots!